You know what? I just came to tell you that no matter the conditions of your life, no matter if you're black or white, rich or poor, the most important thing that you have to do in this life is worship God. Listen. I believe with my voice, I will sing for you wherever I go. Everything I wanna do it for you, oh my Lord. Cause you're my Lord, everything I need, everywhere I go, I just wanna worship you. Cause I need you more than everything. I don't know what you need, I don't know what you're thinking. I just have God just give my life there. He gave his soul, he gave his life for me there. With my happiness, I gotta sing for you. This is the angel voice, singing for you, Lord. I give you my life, give you my soul, cause you are my savior. This is the angel voice, I'm singing for you, Lord. I give you my life, give you my soul, cause you are my savior. There is only one God who is more than everything in this world. Jesus Christ who died for me, let me sing for him. I give you my life everywhere I go, everything I do is just for you. I don't know what they thinking about me. I will dance like a crazy, go dance like a crazy. I don't know what they run, it's for you, oh my Lord. My dance is for you, Lord. Everything I did is for you, cause you are everything I need, Lord. I don't know what they need, I don't know what they thinking. I just have God is everything I need. He gave his soul, he gave his life for me there. With my happiness, I'm gonna sing for you. This is the angel voice, I'm singing for you, Lord. I give you my life, give you my soul, cause you are my savior. This is the angel voice, I'm singing for you, Lord. I give you my life, give you my soul, cause you are my savior.
Cause you are everything, what I need, what I want. I want you more than everything, I want you more than everybody. Cause you are my favorite love, you are my favorite love. I will worship you everywhere I go, cause you are.